I'm teasing. If I say up, you say
Down.
if I say left, you say
Right.
If I say stop, you say
Go.
Congratulations, you all have oppositional defiance disorder. Give yourselves a round of applause. Some of you started clapping because I started clapping and went, well, wait a minute, why am I clapping about that? When I said up, why did everybody say down? Why didn't anybody say stairs? Why didn't anybody say yours? When I said left, everyone said right. Nobody said handed. When I said stop, everyone said go. Nobody sweat in the name of love before you break. So this is behavior mastery morning for yourself, because this is about you having an opportunity to master your own behaviors. And we just proved you don't have mastery of your own behaviors because of the words that just flew out of your mouth that you didn't have a choice about. And there's nothing wrong with it.